Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like this video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use marshmallow to do my cake pops. So we're going to start the process. I'm going to show you guys what I need. I've done cake pops before on one of my videos, but I just want to show you guys where I use marshmallow. So I'm not going to be using chocolate this time, so I'm going to be using marshmallow. Okay, I have my gloves here. That's my marshmallow. It's very big. It's big inside, very big. So yeah. I have my cake here, so I'm going to mash this. That's my buttercream. I'm going to be doing a video how I do my buttercream. And I have extra plates to put the cake pops. I also have my stick and also the pack with that. I'm going to take the marshmallow aside and smash. I'm adding this. You see how small it is now, guys. Look at it, guys. So I'm done with it. So I'm going to be putting my stick on it. I have just a little bit of chocolate in there, so I need the chocolate to put on the stick. So it's just a little. I just melted a little bit of chocolate, but I don't really need much because I'm going to be using marshmallow to cover the popsicle cake. I'm done with it, guys. So I'm going to put it in the freezer. Sometimes I do put it in the fridge if I don't have space in my freezer, so but I just want it to be very quick, so I want to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Then we'll move over to the fire so that I can show you guys how I mix my marshmallow with low heat. So that's my marshmallow. See how big it is. So that's the marshmallow. So I've just put it in the microwave. It was in the pot before, so it was hard to have to turn it in the cup to just put it in the microwave for it to get melt again. So I'm not going to be doing the popsicle. I'm not going to use all of them for marshmallow. Few of them will be marshmallow and the rest will be chocolate. I've already showed you guys the chocolate one before, so I will show you guys. Don't worry the way it looks. I'm going to blend it. So that's the marshmallow. Those two are the marshmallow. I just did, so I forgot that I didn't start with the video when I was doing these two below. I'll just do this few. Let me use it to show you guys. I'm going to put on my gloves now. I don't want to use my hands to touch. So guys, so that's it. I'm done with it. Sorry I didn't show you guys when I was doing it because my kids, so I just decided to take the video off and just concentrate on doing it because they were disturbing too much. So that's the one with the marshmallow. That's the one with the marshmallow. What I did is to look as if it's rough, then you now use your hands to blend it together to make it more smooth. Yeah, so that's it. So I added some Haribo sweets. That is it. So I've done a video before on how I did my cake pops cake, so if you can check that video out, I'm going to drop a link under this video. You can see the way I did it. So there was no point showing you guys how I did it since I've already done a video of the way I did the chocolate one. So that's the chocolate one, and that's the marshmallow. That's marshmallow. Yeah, so you are coming to pick it up now. I'm coming to pick it up. So I have to close it. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, love you. Bye bye.